Alright, so hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. This is going to be a quick presentation about the UPRM project, Personal Finance Manager for the class of Intro to Software Engineering, Fall 2024. So we're going to be showcasing some of the features that were developed during the first sprint. Alright, so overall, we got our landing page here, where you can see the expenses that the user has had, the most recent one. So here you can see some mock data. Here we have the rent, the car, the milk, so on and so forth. With some value. Overall up here we see the balance relative to their income. So this would be how much they've spent overall relative to how much they've made. So here we can see our user has very poor financial management skills. Right. So we've also got some. We also have a way to add our expenses. So say I spent, I don't know, $500 on. Let's see. Here's some categories that we've used before. Let's say I want to make a new category. We go over here and say, I don't know. I spent $500 on a keyboard because I want to buy some fancy mechanical keyboard. And we create a category. We can change the color to whatever we'd like. Use, I don't know, green. Select that color, create a new category. Just create our category. We go down here, click on keyboard, and we add our expense, which should now, as you can see, shows up in our expense list from the main page. Scrolling down, we get to see a little visualization of all the expenses that we have. So here we can see a pie chart, bar chart, along with this breakdown that we have here, a linear chart about our expenses and our income. So here we made $300 from our job, $250 from our properties, $100 from stocks, but we spent $200 on the car, $125 on the bank, $75 on jewelry, so on and so forth. Right. So overall, we've mostly met our milestone goals of generating a simple, intuitive interface that the user can interact with their finances. They can add expenses and they can add income, as shown previously. Right. So another big part of this milestone would be user management, and that was handled in the form of user account creation and managing the database on the back end. So to that end, we have our login. So then over here on our login end, we have a fairly bare bones features. So much like the design of the page, here we can log in. Of course, then we can sign out. And say we want to log in, but we forgot our password. Well, we thought about that. Well, reliable, we send you an email. So here we go. We put our email in. We set our password. And we can enter a new password here. Obviously, in the future, this would be implemented where we would send you an email with a code, and with that code, you'd be able to enter your new password here. But for now, let's pretend that we did that. But in reality, let's skip that step. Put in our new password. Confirm a password change. We go back to the main page we were showing off earlier. So that all in all encompasses most all of the changes and progress made for the application during the first milestone. Thank you.